Entered this trade in the I period, just kind of seen how it hit that low volume node, and you can see how balanced the profile is. So I thought we'd, would come back in just like we've been doing all day, basically. Got a stop over the A high. Thought I'd put my first target right around that half back. I do adjust it here in a second to move it up to just get in front of that VWAP and basically at the half back in just a minute here. The second target, I was looking at that value area low. And I was holding that third one because I thought there was a chance we'd go for the, the AC low down there. This does grind around up here a little bit before it gets going. I'm kind of going against the overall trend, so I do bring the stops down as soon as I get that first target off. You can kind of tell how they were trying to push higher, to shoot for that maybe that POC or at least get over that A high. But we've just been balanced all day, so I didn't really anticipate it making it. Basically, it just looked right. This is really sped up about 7 times. Took about 50 minutes for the trade, and you'll see it in about 6 minutes. You can also see that value or high is right there. That was another thing. I wanted to get in over top of that. That takes out my first target. I come down to, protect the last two. Like I said, it's going against the overall trend, so I didn't want to, I wasn't going to hold this past my entry. So then in the second one, I was really looking at that H low, kind of right in that area right there. I wanted to watch and see how we got there. If we flushed through it, and it basically would take it right to my target. If we kind of got in there and lingered, I would, take one there. That's why I was bringing that other stop down to I was going to put it on top of it because I thought it was going to break that POC and extend a little lower. And I would have followed that down with a stop, but it just didn't break here. Right there, that was at 20 ticks. That first one was at 20 ticks, and that second one was at 20 ticks. So because we had a hard time getting through there, I went ahead and took that second one for the 20 ticks. I got my last target here. I'm still thinking that it could, I'm shooting to break that C and A and C low there. But this just has such a hard time getting through here. Like I said, this is having just such a hard time getting through the POC that I start to get, weary on whether it's going to make it or not. I really thought here this was going to bounce up and take me out of this. But you can see, they couldn't even get over that J high. Here I'm thinking I would take that H level, especially if we got through there. My whole plan was like I said, if we push right through there, I'm going to bring my stop down to basically that H level, which I think is about 43. If it, comes right to that, I'll close it right there. If we just kind of break that H low and start to bounce back, I'll take it there. Because I don't have, multiple contracts left, I'll take I move my target up, I'll take that value area low. It was just working so hard to get through that POC that, I took that second one. I anticipated having that one to take here and then have that third one to kind of, see how far I could get. But considering I only had one left, I wanted to take it somewhere around that value area low. So as this pushes through here, you have the K period opening up. And as that pushes through, it comes down, hits that value area low, and I take it right there. I start moving that stop down. So I was looking for that 3 to 350. There, I bring the stop down. It comes down, hits that value area low, and I take it right there for 37 ticks.